leaving Caribbean Beach and heading to Pop. We got stuck between at the station.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Yeah, so that's where we're going. We got stuck at the station for just a little minute before they started running this line again. But, yeah, if it's not running, it is really hot in these things, but they have these little louvered windows that are letting the breeze in. You get, like, a nice view of everything out here, though. So.
Nobody told me.
It might be kind of hard to see just because of our glare.
Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century.
It's like we're going low over the water here.
Oh, it's rocking. Try to see if we can rock it up. It'll come off the cable.
I doubt that.
Let's do it right here. We have a water landing.
We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Okay, I'm just gonna say that even with the breeze in here, it is still really warm, but it's better than stale air.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at the only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort. Passengers can disembark here for Disney's Pop Century Resort and for Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Bon voyage!
We stay on there, right?
If they let us.
Okay.
So here we are at the station.
Please remain seated
Kind of on
until the
the
doors
bridge.
automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and wash your steps. Thank you for flying.
I so thought we were about to cry.
And here we are. Hopping off onto the next from this station.